All right now, y'all. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to fill your glasses up and sit yourselves on down. Because tonight at Harpo's Juke Joint, Harpo's Food, we're bringing all the finest in Southern nobility. The Queen Honeybee. Now there's something about good music I think you all should know. Now you gotta let the rhythm move. Sometimes it starts real slow. Hear the thumping of the bass all around. Hear the tickling of the iris. Woo! Can you feel it now? Now that I've got your attention, here's what you all need to hear. You wanna groove with CP, you got to get it in gear. We're gonna jump and shout and cut a rug and shimmy a little more. Flip the switch up on the light, but watch the juice begin to flow. Oh, push the button, push the button, push the button, push the button. You gotta push it if you wanna come